Hi, hello, welcome to Physionic, where we learn the body from the macro to the micro. If that's something you think you'd be interested in, then consider subscribing. Guys, today's subscriber question comes to us from Greaser1945, and Greaser wants to know, if we supplement with collagen, then do we see betterment in joint health, especially when it comes to exercise, but certainly just in general as well? And the research on this, there have been several different studies that have looked at this, and the research tends to trend towards yes, it does help. Now, that said, there are several different studies that have been not only funded by the industry but also conducted. The research was actually done in a lab that was formulated by the industry. So I would probably be a bit hesitant to believe just those studies, even though they do go through a peer review process. The articles or the journals that they submitted to weren't exactly the highest quality, so I imagine the peer review process probably wasn't quite as stringent either. But that is not the only research that's been done on the topic. They have looked at individuals that are unhealthy or have some sort of pathology. They've looked at individuals who are healthy but not exercising. And then they've actually done some studies on athletes as well. And they have seen that there are improvements in joint health and just the overall well-being of the joint. So how athletes, especially in athletes, how they felt after exercise, walking on their joints. Also at rest, and then during the lifting procedure itself. So do they see betterment or feel better based on a physician test? And it turns out that based on the research that I've looked at least, it seems that yes. And that is an independent, non-industry funded studies as well as funded studies. So you've got a mixture of both. Again, if it were just the industry funded studies that were done in an industry lab, then I would be far more hesitant to actually say with any sort of certainty that joint health can be improved by collagen supplementation. But because we do have a mixture of different studies, I would be at least comfortable saying that the research is trending towards that direction. So hopefully that helps to anybody that was interested, Greaser and anyone else, and I hope that I have the pleasure of speaking with you guys in the next one. Have a good one. See ya.